Is your Genshin Impact app keeps crashing and not opening issues on your iPhone? In this video, I will guide you through 4 advanced troubleshooting processes to resolve the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Offload the Genshin Impact app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, search Genshin Impact, tap on it, tap Offload app again, and lastly, tap Reinstall app. Solution 2. Close all background apps. If you are running too many heavy apps and games in the background, then you can have this problem. So make sure to remove all the apps and games from the background and try to open the game again. Solution 3. Update the app. Open the App Store, type Genshin Impact. Now if you found any update, please update the app. But if you don't have any updates, then Solution 4. Check iPhone storage. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage, and check your storage capacity. If you are running out of storage, then free up your iPhone storage. To free up storage on your device, consider deleting unnecessary apps, games, photos, and videos. By removing these items, you can create more space and potentially improve the performance of your device, and then restore your iPhone. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Genshin Impact app crashing issue. If you have any further questions or need assistance, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.